Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to recover our Telegram account without phone number or email address. So let's start. So first let's go to a browser and go to Google and write Telegram support. When you write it, just go to the first option that says support Telegram Messenger. Just click here and you clear. Please describe your problem. Just write it. Hello Telegram team. I just want to recover my account. I don't have my phone number and email address. So when you write it, you can write more words if you want. There's no problem. Just write your full name, and if you can write an email address. Different, doesn't matter, just write it. Here you can write your email address before that you just throw open your Telegram account, as well as your phone number that you use for that account. Then just write your phone number here, and when you write it, just submit. So Telegram support will give you everything by the email that you give and give you a support to fix it. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.